Okay, Mr. Ursher, I'm going to put you in NIDA. I'll make sure I do that. But what I can't do is I can't get you Blackboard access to what you're wanting to do here. So I'm going to put you in NIDA, send you the course completion checklist um, so that you can kind of keep up. But again, you've got to keep up with everything here. And rather than try to take screenshots and send you everything, I'm going to send you this video. This is Module 1. Read your chapters and go into NIDA and do this. And I'll get back. And here's Module 2. Review your chapter in 9. Here's the oscilloscope videos. You won't be able to get to those. I'll try to send you the links to the videos as well here. They're all on YouTube. So I'll try to go through the first 2 or 3 here because I don't think it'll get much further than those. So I'll go through Module 1, 2, and 3 and try to send you anything like the videos that you don't have the links to. And I'll send that in a Word document. But anyway, you can read down this oscilloscope video, complete NIDA, function generator video. And again, I'll send you these links to the videos. NIDA, and NIDA. So again, you'll have full access to NIDA. I'll send you the course completion checklist. I'll send you these links. So that's Module 2, and Module 3 will be the last one I show you at this point. If you get done with that, holler at me. But you can see this is Painter text. We do have a spare copy of this book. If you stop by, I don't mind giving you a copy that you can return to me. I'll keep track of that. Got inductors on the NIDA. Inductor identification, and then your first lab, and that's a good stopping point because you got to do your lab in here anyway. And I would really prefer you do these labs in the proper order or close to it because they do kind of enforce the context that you have. So again, I'll get you these links, I'll get you the course completion checklist, and I'll put you in NIDA, and that'll take care of you, I think, through the holidays for sure. Anything you want to do beyond that, I'll get with you later. Take care. Thanks for doing the article as well.